Having advanced equipment is crucial, but it's your technician's expertise that truly drives your shop's success. That's why Hunter offers comprehensive training and dedicated support, helping your team maximize performance, reduce downtime, and deliver exceptional service. Nationwide hands-on learning at 50+ Hunter training centers. With over 50 Hunter training centers across the country, expert instruction is always within reach. Each location offers extended in-person training sessions led by ASE certified instructors who bring deep industry experience and practical knowledge to every course. These instructors guide technicians through real-world procedures using OEM recommended practices, ensuring they leave with the skills that are both current and applicable. These state-of-the-art facilities provide real-world training environments equipped with the latest Hunter technology, allowing technicians to practice on advanced equipment that they could encounter in their shop. At Hunter Training Centers, your team will gain hands-on experience with Hunter's advanced diagnostic tools, learn from certified industry experts with real-world insights, and develop skills that translate directly to faster, more accurate service in your shop. Whether it's ADAS calibration, wheel alignment, or diagnostic procedures, your technicians will leave with the confidence to tackle any challenge efficiently. Hunter University, free, flexible learning anywhere. Hunter University is a great option when in-person training isn't an option. This free online training platform offers your team access to high-quality courses anytime, anywhere. Hunter University modules include self-paced sessions, which are perfect for training around busy shop schedules, an extensive course library. Hunter's courses cover everything from alignment basics to advanced ADAS diagnostics, and interactive lessons designed to keep technicians engaged while reinforcing key skills. Hunter University's flexible structure allows technicians to upskill during downtime, keeping your shop productive without missing a beat. Local Hunter team, support at every step. Your local Hunter team is dedicated to helping your shop succeed, and that support doesn't end with installation, it's just the beginning. Hunter provides support and resources to help ensure your equipment runs smoothly and efficiently through preventative maintenance. But equipment is only as good as the technicians trained to use it. That's why experts from your local Hunter team offer on-site training, tailored to the needs of your shop. This isn't just about equipment, it's a partnership designed to help your business grow. Investing in technician training equips your team with the tools they need to excel, translating into measurable benefits for your shop. Well-trained technicians equipped with the right tools can diagnose issues faster with accuracy. That's a big win for both shop efficiency and customer satisfaction. If you're ready to take the next step and elevate your technician skills, empower your team with expert training. Contact your local Hunter representative today.